Insert the pre-terminated antenna cable into the rightmost cable gland. Attach it to the XB radio module, secure the nut and tighten the cable gland. The CRX units have a bank of 8 dip switches. Dip switch 1 should be in the on position by pushing the switch up. The remaining 7 dip switches should be off by ensuring they are in the down position. Insert the float switch cable into the centre cable gland and tighten. Remove the 4-pin sensor input plug. Insert the black wire into ground, which is the leftmost terminal, and tighten screw. Insert the blue wire into sensor input 1, which is the 3rd terminal across from the left, and tighten screw. Reconnect the plug to the CRX board. Note that the brown wire is unused and may be trimmed off. The charge selector jumper J1 is located on the circuit board inside the enclosure's lid. Ensure the jumper shorts both of the gold pins. Attach a lithium battery pack to the lid using the pre-fitted cable tie, then connect the battery pack to the charger board. Insert the solar panel cable into the leftmost cable gland and tighten. Remove the 2-pin plug labelled solar from the charger board. Connect the black wire into the left terminal, the red wire into the right terminal and tighten. Connect the solar plug back onto the charger board. Using the supplied 2-pin power link, connect one end to the socket labelled load on the charger board. Then connect the other end to the socket labelled battery on the CRX main board. Securing the wires inside, attach the lid to the enclosure